photo post. Hey guys, welcome back again to our channel. Still your Bianca Guest TV. I appreciate your presence. My old subscribers, thank you for coming. The new subscriber that are about to subscribe, I appreciate and I'm grateful. Thank you for coming. And all we have today is just a makeup. We are going to be doing a makeup, and it's gonna be blue and at the same time blue and silver. Okay, so let's see what we can create, if we can create just like the one of our wind by the sea. Okay, so let's go. And thank you for coming. Don't forget to like and help me to share the video if you wish to share to a friend, to a sister, and kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay, so now I'm just using nude and brown to blend it out. Okay, one thing about makeup is just you need to blend. The skill to makeup is just patience, time, and you blend it out. So with that you are super cool. And again, sorry guys, because it was late. It was night makeup, and do enjoyed it because the light was a little bit somehow. So we're gonna manage it. We are not here for the light, we are here for the makeup. Watch the makeup. So that is it. Keep watching guys. I'm going to be using my Pro Elegant concealer to cut crease. Okay, you can cut crease it anyhow you like. You guys know that I love wing cut creasing, so my cut creasing is just always like that, pop my eyes out. Okay, this is how I apply my eyeshadow. I apply it close to my eyebrow so that it will pop out. Okay, this is how I do my makeup. Anyhow you do your makeup is also okay with it. Okay, so that is it. Do things that are okay for you, things that makes you to be happy, and things anyhow you love it to do it. Okay, so this is how I do mine. Anyhow you do yours, you just do your own. Okay, so that is it. And just be patient when it comes to the cut creasing. You just need to be relaxed and do it step by step. Okay guys, keep on watching. Blue. Okay guys, we are going to be applying this blue. And this blue, I did a review for it. In case you want to watch it, I may drop the link down of the video. Okay, sometimes I do say I'm gonna drop the link, but I end up not dropping the link again because you know it's not easy like to copy link, do all those things. And yeah, so beautiful queens, and we're gonna apply this blue and silver to it. Okay, so when apply your makeup, just all you need to do, in case you don't need to add gel, all you need is just a concealer, and after that you use your brush to press it, apply the color, and once you are applying the color, you make sure you tap. To be adding the silver. The silver is very shimmery, a lot of glitters. Okay, in case you ordered it, you know what I'm talking about. I did a review for it once again. The video will be down of my video, and once you click on that video down of the description box, it will take you direct to where I ordered it from. Okay, you're gonna get it and you have it to yourself. You can use it to your cheek, like the goodie side of it. When you use it to your cheek or your body, you'll be shining. I will use it one day on my video, then I'll tell you guys I use my glitter eyeshadow. There you know how it is. You just be shining like a newborn baby. Okay, so guys, and I'm going to be applying my primer, and this primer is Infallible by L'Oreal Paris. Okay, So now I'm gonna spray my beauty blender. That beauty blender is just the best. I have 4 new beauty blender, but this one is just the best. I love it, so soft. And whenever I go out, I'm gonna get new beauty blender for myself. Keep watching as we do the remaining one. Okay, love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe, and I appreciate your presence. Sorry for the light that was a little bit going on and off, okay, but it's okay. We are gonna manage it. And I love you guys. To your BBG, gorgeous BBG. People that is finding it difficult to apply lashes, first of all, you're going to align your eyes. Okay, make sure you align it before you apply the lashes. So this is how you go. Just go direct, apply it close to your natural lashes. That is when I do. Like, if you don't put it close to your lashes, it will be visible that people will notice that something up there is different from your natural eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to draw it a little bit down. Okay, so sorry guys that I think it was the other part, it was a little bit up, and but because of the liner, the eyeliner will cover it. Okay, so now I'm gonna press it so that it will fit direct to my natural eyes. Okay, so you can see the way it is now. Okay, can you see that? So it has already fit to my natural lashes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my eyeliner again, my dual eyeliner, to correct it a little bit so that I won't have that space. I won't have anything that will be showing that I apply fake lashes. Okay, so whenever I blink down my eyes, you would think that, oh, that is a lashes, but it's not. It's a fake lash. It's a fake lashes, so it's a fake lashes, but it's fine. It's okay. Keep watching the video, and again, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I appreciate. So I'm gonna use my hand to spread it. Use your hand to spread it very, very well. Okay, so that it will be like gorgeous. You know what so I mean, spread it, just spread it so that it will open, and it will, like, okay, you can see. So you have it from the starting to the ending of your lashes. So we have already fixed the 2 lashes, and all I'm gonna do, my top was a little bit, like you can see. So I got stained, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. This wig is so beautiful. I love this wig. I look at it this wig always, just because the problem is how to style it. Because whenever you want to style it, you're just gonna use this style this way. Okay, those are celebrity hair, like the one missing Hagbe do carry always. It's not common. It's not something. It's rather, that's just the word for it, is rather. Okay, so that is your gorgeous BBG. Any hair she have it, and the beautiful, the best hair so far, original. So we are gonna align our lips before we do the one of the hair. Okay, so I'm trying to use my MAC pencil to do the lips before I will go for color. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my blush, apply the lipstick off camera because I don't want this video more longer than 12 minutes. And okay, so if I can trim it down this minute, I don't know, but it's okay, so that you guys will know what I'm doing step by step. And this is just the blush, and the blush was super okay. I'm gonna use my lighter. This highlighter is from Kiko. It's called Unexpected Paradise, so that is what I'm using right now to highlight my nose, on top of my eyes, the buns on top of my eyebrow, on top of my forehead, which is the T-zone area. And just apply it the place you need to highlight. Okay, so that is it. And the way the light is making it to shine, I love it though, but the light is so crazy. And the contour of my nose, that very night, it didn't show the way it's supposed to be. No, my contour is loud. So we comment, see, blended the most. That is what I love. That is what I love. I hate whenever people talk down what you do. Some will say, don't apply eyeshadow to this. Shut up, do your own. We are still on it, guys. I'm gonna fix my ear, and sorry for that. I know sometimes some people do talk down what you know how to do, but at the same time they are getting inspiration from your BBG. They're not the like colorful makeup. All of them are colorful makeup because they do not be that. That will be a gist for next time. So guys, I'm spraying my face, and at the same time I'm using Kiko spray to spray it, and I'm gonna fan it with this my Vienna Chocolatino. It was done by my husband. This is very gift that I put in here. And this thing, if I tell you the story the story behind this thing, two men the fight put because of which had the hood for my hand. So that was a gist for that day that Bianca is trying to okay, we are done with the log. You don't subscribe. Why you never subscribe? What I do? Forgive me now. Not this again. Rest now. Rest now. Rest. 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 Forgive and subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. God bless you. So beautiful queens, we are done. I really love this hair. This hair is just everything. So gorgeous. And the makeup, the top. I did a try on of this top. And yeah, the try on will be coming up soon. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and help me to share to your sister. I love you. Thank you for your support. You guys are loved and highly appreciated. Bye. Your baby G love you. Mwah.